Hello guys, I'm on level 14 of Speedrun 4 and I'm going to try to beat it today. Sorry if my mouse is in the way, and sorry if I sound like a drowning cheese graters. Jaden, I stole that from Jaden Animations when she said she drowned in cheese graters. I am sick right now, and I have a sore throat, and I feel awful. I skipped some levels because why not? I'm on level 14. And you need to see my full journey. No, I'm frozen. I am not a pro at this, but I like parkour, so I'm going to challenge myself. Well, shoot. I need to try to talk while doing this and try not to mess up that bad. Up we go. Ow. I needed a little coughing break. I haven't even got any energy, so this is my energy. I'm homesick again, which sucks. Anywho, how was your day? Hello? Hello? Sorry if I was talking super quietly. Now I have to talk directly at the mic. Oh! Okay, this was a mess. This is a mess. Okay, that was my fault. 900 minutes. I don't know how to edit my mouse out. So sorry that it's on the screen. You know what? I need to do something. So I'm back and I got some space for my mouse. Boy. I wish you could see my face, but I would just look pale. And I don't want my face on the internet, even though it already is. But my face has changed a tiny bit. This is how you do it. This is how we do. Do. 17! Oh, this looks pretty. This is how we do. Do. This is how we do. This is how we do. Yeah, chili pop. Look at that pyramid. It's so cool. There's a tiny one. I'm sorry I was having a mental breakdown. Yeah, it was awful, and I have to talk pretty loudly. Ow. I thought that was a sneeze. I seriously thought that was a sneeze. When I get mad, I'm just going to eat the microphone. Not literally, but never mind. But I'll still eat the microphone. Yep. Oh my God! I'm sorry I had another mental breakdown. Just don't talk. Don't talk. If I don't talk, that means I won't get distracted and I won't be able to do this. Why does my legs look so tiny? Merry Thanksgiving. Merry Thanksgiving! Technical difficulties. Wait, Merry Thanksgiving? What the heck? I seriously almost shouted Merry Thanksgiving. Here's the messy part, where it died on. If I don't talk, I won't get distracted. Yes! Yes! You don't know how happy I am. This has some epic music. Oh, the space level! Level 20. I seriously can go into the space dimension. I seriously have the space dimension. Okay. How much levels are there? I'm almost done. The next one, I won't talk. I just won't. Because I have a sore throat. Dollar bills. Sorry if I don't talk in the next one. It's because, well, I'm angry or I'm trying to concentrate. And it takes me a long time to type. Okay, after the next one, it's bye-bye. After this one, it's bye-bye. Shoot, I forgot what I was supposed to do. I know what to do. Okay. Just learn from this kid on the internet. Learn how to play. I'm doing it. Let's go. Woo! I can beat this game. So see you on the next episode. Bye!